So I will want quickly talk about comments. What to be comments, why you need them, how you they write them, how if you take help your life. Make we look into them. So if you look into this browser here, you go see say we get many elements. We just get all these elements where they here. So maybe say we go on leave this picture for here. We don't want delete one of these pictures and want keep one and we just want show one, but we don't want remove the code. We just want make the code dey there, but make they do anything, make it just they dormant, make it dey there like Dundee. So what we go do? We go need use comments for such things. So comments now way of writing notes to yourself so that if you don't leave your code after a couple of days or a couple of weeks, you get the way you they forget. Me personally, I always forget sometimes, but if I don't read comments where I write to myself or to my other teammates, it will make life easier for us. We're going to see the code, we're going to understand why we write this code, or this whoever read them go understand why me self I can't write the code like this. So make we see how you feel write comments. For HTML, to write a comment, we'll first do less than, then you go come press exclamation mark, and at this one, then you go come press dash dash or minus minus. So you go say minus minus, and you just see say our VS Code don't help us close the remaining of them. So what you go write now, minus minus and greater than. So inside here now, here you go write your comment. So you go say like I am a comment. Aha. So if I write them like this, you go see say you no go show inside the browser. If I press save, you no go see nothing don't change. So make we put something inside this comment. Make we see what's gonna happen. Say the comments they really come out. So make I pray here, play this one, and then make we just move this div enter. So we just say this div. Click on, let's go to the closing div. We'll collect them from the closing and go move them. I they use Control Shift and up. So I go use that, it don't move up. So you see say even the color of the code where we don't comment out, you see say it don't change in color. So for here now, you go see say color don't change and the code self is supposed don't disappear. So make we see say if we save this file now, I never save them, but if I save them now, you go see say this picture go come out, only this one go dey, but the code go still dey inside the browser, but it no go work. So make we press save, and you see say the picture don't go. So if I say okay, make I come out this comment from here, then the picture go dey show. But for now, the picture no go show. Now only this first one go show, but the second one it no go show. Even though the code for the picture still dey there, it no go show because it dey wrapped inside the comment. It dey inside a comment for here. So if I minimize this one, come here now, I will come look. We will see say the code dey inside here. All that div now be the code. So if you come out them again from inside that comment and we press save, the picture will show again and it will work just like before. So if we click on, go carry us go the link for the picture. So make I close this one here and make we start to the right comments for ourselves. Make I clean this one up. So make we say for here, for the very top here, we go look all our code, make we see. Then we go say, okay, for inside here, we go say all the images are here, for example. So you can say, okay, for here. If you dey use VS Code, all you need to do now just press Control and you go press // and that one could just give us the comments where just show for there. So we'll just say here, we go say all the images are below this line, right? Go press save. I go see say no comment, no text they show for the page, but it still dey the page as a comment. The people where they look the site, all our visitors, they know go they see this comment where we write for here. So that's a very important concept also. It go dey very helpful for you to dey remember your code. It go dey very helpful for your colleagues also. Maybe they remember your code. And if they work for client or customer, you go need some customers go need to see what you do. So you go like to leave notes for the customer, make you see the code where you do and how the code they work. Make you just explain them in simple English for this line, how the code they work, waiting they make and they work, how you they think, how you take solve the problem, those kind of things. Now waiting comments day for. For the next video, we go start to the add style to all these our elements here. We're going to add style so that we go see how we can make this thing look better, because right now you're not too fine, but make we see how we can make it look better for the next videos.